What's up, creative people? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anika and I'm a multidisciplinary artist. Okay guys, so for Shine 2022, I will be participating as an artist yet again, but this time I'm going to be working with Kamada. So I'm going to be painting on a car, which I've never done before. Right now I'm on my way to Blick to get some paints, but I'm not sure if I'm supposed to get spray paints or like regular like brush paints. So I'm going to talk to a few of the associates, see if they can help me out with that, and hopefully wish me luck with this process, because literally I have no idea what I'm doing. But I think that it will be an exciting project and one that you guys can learn from as well. So let's see how it goes. Oh, and another thing, if you know my work and you're familiar with my previous pieces, murals, paintings, etc., you know that I typically use brushes or rulers. I will be live painting, so that means I'm working with a time limit. I think the festival starts at 10 a.m. and wraps up around 3. So I don't have that much time to like get as much detail as I want to in the portraits or whatever design I'm doing. So I'm still trying to navigate different materials, trying out different materials, but also I want to preserve the quality of my work. So this should be interesting, but come with me to Blick. Let's see if we can get a few spray cans and at least get the base for this project going. The good thing that I have learned, at least from researching on YouTube, is that there are like different caps that you can use for the spray cans. So I didn't know that before, and you can have like wide shots or use a cap for like very fine detail. So I have to remember to ask about if they have a variety that I would be able to at least experiment with, maybe in the store, or if they have one that they recommend that I can use for this specific project. Since I will be working on a car, it's a lot of surface area that I would need to cover in such a small space of time. The associates at Blick were extremely helpful with color selection for matching the colors to my design, but I don't think they knew how many cans I should get. I think we were all guessing at this point, and I wanted to be as safe as possible because I couldn't come back to Blick before I got down to the site. So I believe I took about 6 of each color just to be safe, and I had extras after. Any remaining cans, of course, I could use for future projects, so this wasn't much of a problem, but of course it made the bill a lot higher, which you'll would see in a few minutes. Thankfully, I was able to find those caps, and they even had like a chart that I took a picture of because I needed to see which cap matched up to which width when it sprayed. So this was awesome for me to reference at the site while I was spraying. And of course, any artist or creator who's going into an art store, something like Michael's or Blick, you know you could never just go for one thing. You always have to walk around the store, see if there's anything that you need. Even though I came with a list, I kind of just browsed the aisles to see if there was anything that caught my eye, but I actually stuck to my list this time, so this was just me walking through. So today is the day before I actually paint a car for the first time at Kamada Shine Festival. I'll be walking you guys through the process. Tonight I will go down and prime and prep the car before I actually paint on festival day. And I'll walk you guys through all of the materials that I'm bringing with me. Before I officially start packing anything, I want to make sure that I do a thorough checklist on my phone. That way I don't forget any items and I can ensure that I have everything that I need for the project. Okay, so the first thing, spray cans, paint cans, brushes, cups or bowls for washing my brushes, paper towels for cleanup, respirator mask, that's very important, gloves, acetone,
foam tiles, spray can adapters, my projector, my charging ports / power bank.
starting to get dark, so the only thing is because the car is black, the image isn't showing up as well as it should. But we'll make it.
Oh, yeah, okay. I see it.